From the trusted makers of Quartz Renew, a restoration process for porcelain is now available. Designed for high-gloss porcelain finishes, QR Porcelain is a simple 3-step process for removing abrasions and scratching in the surface. Here's what you get in the kit: 5-inch diamond pads, polishing slurry, 5-inch foam backer pad, and 5-inch white slurry applicator. Now for the process. First, step 1 is for damage removal. Mark off your area and apply soapy water to the surface. Set the polisher at 3000 RPM and apply very light pressure while polishing while moving quickly across the surface. Do not allow the surface to become dry at any time during this process. If so, immediately stop and apply more soapy water. After removing the damage, clean and check the polished area. It is important to not have a dull halo line around the outside of your work area. If so, work the area further and overlap at least a full pad to remove the halo line. When finished, the edge of your polish area should look like this. Continue on to step 2, again using light pressure and moving quickly across the surface. Continue this step until your work area looks like this. Continue to step 3, the polishing slurry. Using a liberal amount of polish, apply with the provided white applicator. This step can be applied with medium pressure while moving the polisher slowly across the surface. Work the area until all remaining hazing is removed and blended with the surrounding finish. The polish should not become dry during this step. If so, apply more polish or lightly mist with water.
And now, a 4-step polish has been added for superior results and improved user-friendliness. This final step not only removes any hazing from the repair, but also enhances and restores the factory clear coat. For DIY customers, we also offer a polisher, giving you everything you need for a successful repair.
If at any time you require, you can move back to previous steps to remove heavier damage that was missed. Thank you for choosing Quartz Renew Porcelain.